Okay, so what are some good kits for knife cleaning oils? Now, I'm going to give you actually 3, and this is 3 bottles, but this is all one brand. However, we're going to have cheap, medium, and higher end, I guess you'd call it. But all oils pretty much will work. But here's the thing. So, depending on what you're trying to lube up, protect, or use as oil is going to affect the different types that you're going to use. Because you can just go really cheap and just get you like a microfiber towel and butcher block oil. That can pretty much be used for any knife, and it's food safe because it's butcher block oil. It's meant for food handling materials, things like that. So if you're going to be using kitchen knives and stuff, just use butcher block oil. Perfectly safe, super easy, and just wipe it on, wipe it off kind of situation. You can also use it for pocket knives. So that's your cheap route. A bottle, big bottle, maybe like $10. Okay, and then you can move up to a little bit higher level, which this is like a dupe. You can use it for both knives and pew-pews, is just getting a pew-pew cleaning kit and just use the oils out of there. But the thing is with that, though, is it has like a few, like if you get like this kit, it has like a few extra tools and stuff, but the oils, depend on what they are, probably you don't want to be using for food. It's either going to give it a weird taste or it's just not good to eat. But anyway, so that's your next thing. The one I use is KPL. This is like your higher end, more customized to knives and stuff. I like their little droppers. The kit I showed for the mid-grade, $30. I think the smaller one does have a dropper. But these are meant for knives. All oil can almost be meant for knives, really. But I like their stuff. The kit that I got has a cloth, has some like little tiny swabs to clean them between your knife and things like that. KPL has some really good oils and they're small little travel size bottles. So that's why I like KPL stuff, just because they look cool. I like the brand and they have good products. So you can either go really cheap, you can get a dual kit for your pew-pews and knives, just use the oils out of that, or go cheap, get you some butcher block oil, or go get you a name brand like KPL. All 3 will work just fine, but like I was saying, the one thing you do want to look for is if you're going to use that pocket knife for cutting any kind of foods or kitchen knives, if you're going to be using it anywhere with food, just make sure it's food friendly so that way you're not eating nasty oils and chemicals. But anyways, hopefully that helps, and just if you need any more questions answered, just let me know. Thanks for watching.